My name is Commander Skal of the 10th Sontaran Battle Fleet, known as Skal, the Bloodbringer. This dwelling is under attack. Remain calm, human scum. I hope someday to meet you on the field of battle, where I will crush the life from your worthless human form for the glory of the Sontaran Empire. If this weak and fleshy boy is to represent us, I strongly advise the issuing of scissor grenades, limbo vapor, and triple blaster brain splitters. Military tactics. The doctor is still missing, but he will always come looking for his box. By bringing it here, he will be lured to this place safety, and we will melt his brain with acid. And we will not melt his brain with acid. Sorry, old habits.